Unlock the power of personalized communication and watch your engagement soar by mastering email template editing in Follow-Up Boss. First, navigate to the heart of your account settings by clicking on the Admin tab located at the top of your Follow-Up Boss dashboard. From the Admin menu, look to the left-hand sidebar and select Email Templates. This is where all your pre-existing templates live, ready to be customized. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list of your current email templates. To create a brand new one, simply click the Add Template button in the top right corner. If you want to edit an existing template located from the list, click the template you want to modify. You can then directly edit the subject line to capture attention and personalize the body text with dynamic fields like the contact's first name or property address for hyper-relevant messaging. Use the formatting toolbar above the email body to add your branding, stylize your text, and add images to elevate your template's look and feel. Make it stand out. Once you've finished customizing your email template to perfection, be sure to hit the Save button at the bottom of the page to lock in all your changes. You're now ready to send personalized, effective emails that convert.